Welcome to our channel, Crown Media Plus. In the toolbox, click the Drop Shadow tool. Select an object with a drop shadow, and choose a merge mode from the transparency operation list box on the property bar. The default merge mode multiply produces natural looking drop shadows. Select an object's drop shadow. What is a drop shadow? Drop shadows give the impression that a layer in your project is hovering and casting a shadow onto the background layer beneath it. You can apply a drop shadow to any type of layer to help give the impression that your image exists in 3D space. Drop shadows appear behind or below objects. Inner shadows appear inside objects. You can add drop shadows and inner shadows to most objects or groups of objects, including text and bitmaps. You can add drop shadows and inner shadows interactively or by using presets. How do you shadow text in Corel Draw? Open the Interactive Tools Flyout, and select the Interactive Drop Shadow tool. Click an object. Drag from the center, or side, in other cases, of the object until the drop shadow is the size you want. Specify any attribute on the property bar. From the Drop Shadow color list box, choose white. How do you add a shadow to a picture? How to add shadow to a picture. Upload an image. Select the image you'd like to edit or add shadows to. Choose Elements. Choose Elements on the left panel toolbar. Add shadow. Click Edit on the top panel toolbar and click the shadow toggle to add a shadow. Edit shadow. Download edit. Thanks for watching out and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.